your memory isn't failing, your sanity isn't slipping, and you aren't too sensitive. But right now, someone is working very hard to make you believe all three are true. Most people think gaslighting is just someone lying to cover their tracks. It's not. It is a psychological surgery designed to remove your intuition. If you've ever found yourself apologizing for something you didn't do, just to end an argument, you've already entered the cycle. This isn't about relationship drama. This is about reality erosion. Today, we aren't just looking at the signs, we are looking at the mechanism so you can stop the gears before they crush you. It starts with the reality over right. A healthy disagreement looks like two people seeing a coin from different sides. Gaslighting is when one person insists the coin doesn't exist. When you present facts and they respond with confusion rather than anger, your brain panics. It's called cognitive dissonance. Your brain hates contradictions. It physically hurts. So to relieve that pain, your subconscious makes a choice. Is it more likely that this person I trust is a predator, or that I made a mistake? The brain chooses the mistake to preserve the bond. That is the biological trap. Here is the dangerous part that no one tells you. The gaslighter isn't always mean. In fact, they are most dangerous when they are kind. They use benevolence to disarm you. I'm only telling you this because I love you and I'm worried about your mental health. Then comes the universal shield. I was just joking. This is the litmus test. If their humor requires your humiliation, it's not a joke, it's a dominance hierarchy. They throw a stone, and when you bleed, they blame you for having thin skin. Eventually, they don't need to say anything. You do it for them. You stop trusting your memory. You start recording conversations. You second-guess your own feelings before you even speak them. You have become your own jailer. Recognizing the cage is the first step to realize the wings aren't stone. But once you spot the signs, you have to deal with the person holding the key, and that requires a completely different set of psychological armor, which we break down right here.